அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி கம்பைன்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் சப்பார்டினேட் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் மாடல் கொஷின் பேப்பர் ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம மாடல் கொஷின் பேப்பரில் 1 to 150 கொஷின்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 151லேருந்து பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ கொஷின் நம்பர் 151 ஃபார் மேக்ஸிமேஷன் எல்பி மாடல் the simplex method is determined when all values. Correct answer is option A, Cj minus Zj less than or equal to 0. Next question number 152, to convert greater than or equal to inequality constraints into equality constraints, we must option C, subtract surplus variable and an artificial variable. Next question number 153, when total supply is equal to total demand in a transportation problem, the problem is said to be. Question number 153 answer is option A, balanced. Next question number 154, game theory models are classified by the option D, all the above. So the answer எல்லாமே correct. So answer is all the above. Next 155, if f of x is even function, then interval plus L to minus L f of x dx. So answer is option C, 2 into the interval integral 0 to 1 f of x dx, integral 0 to L f of x dx. Option C is correct answer. Next question number 156, if p is a prime number and p divide order of g, then g has an element of order b. Answer is Cauchy's theorem. Option B is correct answer. Next 157, 0 is a maximal ideal in. Answer is field. Option A is correct answer, field. Next 158, every Cauchy's sequence of points in M is convergent to M, then M is complete. Option B is correct answer. Next 159, every neighborhood in a metric space is A of A comma N is. Option B is correct answer, open set. 159, open set. Next 160, the set of real numbers or is option B, closed. Option B is correct answer, closed. Next 161, the LPP maximize Z equal to 4x plus 3y subject to the constraints 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 150, 4x plus 6y greater than or equal to 350 and x y greater than or equal to 0. So idukana answer has no solution. Option D is correct answer, has no solution. Next question number 162, which method is not associated with finding an initial basic feasible solution for a transportation problem? Option A, Currican method. Next 163, when we the graphical method to solve the LPP, it contains option A, 2 variables. Option A, 2 variables. Next question number 164, differential equation is into 2. Answer is 2. Differential equation is into 2. Answer is option A, 2. Next 165, a single independent variable is called an ordinary differential equation. Answer is ordinary. Answer is ordinary. Option C is correct answer. Next question number 166, the diamond of A comma B divided W, pi of x comma y comma x comma A comma B equal to 0. Dou by divide dou A equal to 0. Dou by divide dou A equal to 0 and dou by divide dou B equal to 0 when it exit is called singular integral. So answer is option B, singular. Next 167, if f of p comma q equal to 0, so answer is 0. Next question number 168. If p squared x plus q squared y equal to z, then df divide tq equal to 2qy. So answer is option B, 2qy. Next question number 169. One and more dependent variable with respect to one and more independent variable is called differential equation. Answer is option A, differential equation. Next question number 117. Every square matrix satisfy its own characteristic equation is option A. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 171. If a function f of x is even function, then the Fourier coefficient is in interval -5, +5 is option D. 0 is correct answer. Next question number 172. If f of x equal to f of x equal to pi minus x divide 3. Question தப்பா இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. If f of x equal to, question number 172, if f of x equal to pi minus x divide 3 is interval x lies between 0 to 2 pi, then the Fourier coefficient a0 is option C, 2 pi. Okay, next question number 173. If scalar lambda is a characteristic root of the matrix A, then A minus lambda I is answer is singular matrix. Lambda A minus lambda I is answer is singular matrix. Option D is correct answer. Option A, singular matrix. Question number 173. சாய்ஸ் தப்பாக இருக்குது. ஆன்சர் வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சிங்குலர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். 173க்கான ஆன்சர் வந்து சிங்குலர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 174. வாட் இஸ் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் 3z ஸ்கொயர்ட் ப்ளஸ் 7z ப்ளஸ் 1z ப்ளஸ் 1 if c is modulus of z equal to 1/2. ஸோ இதுக்கான ஆன்சர் வந்து 0. வேல்யூ வந்து 0. Question number 175. The square real matrix A is called unitary if first condition A squared, சரி அதில் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ஸ்கொயர்ட் வராது, A transport equal to I. Option A correct answer but not square here. A power t, A transport equal to A transport A equal to I. Option A is correct answer. Question number 175. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 176. T squared plus 6 into y equal to sin 4x. Then the auxiliary equation of lambda and beta are 0 and root 6. Answer is option A, 0, root 6. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 177. If dx divide y squared equal to dy divide x squared. Question number 177. Question number 177 again. Find delta pi if pi equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Answer is option D correct answer. 2 into xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. ஸோ அதில் C and D வந்து பிரிண்ட் ஆகாமல் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஆன்சர் பார்த்துக்குங்க 2 into xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector only correct answer. Next question number 178. Answer is if the value 179 பாருங்க 178 question wrong இருக்கு. 179. If modulus of x greater than or equal to 1, the series 1 plus x squared etc. convergent and has the sum 1 divided 1 plus x. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 180. 5 jobs are to be produced on 3 machines A, B and C in the order A, B, C. The timings of the job are known to be 30, 40, 70, 80, 50, 40, 70, 10, 50, 50, 20, 60 and 40, 30, 100. The optimum sequence would be, so our answer is J4 to J1. ஸோ அதில் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இல்லாமல் இருக்குது. ஸோ கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துக்குங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கு என்ன அப்படின்னா எது வந்து உங்களுக்கு மேப் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. J4. ஸோ நோட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க J4 that arrow mark J1, arrow mark J5, arrow mark J2, arrow mark J3. அதாவது வந்து நம்ம இந்த டயக்ராம் ட்ரா பண்ணோம். டயக்ராம் ட்ரா பண்ணுறப்போ J4லேருந்து J1க்கு, J1லேருந்து J5க்கு, J5லேருந்து J2, J2லேருந்து J3க்கு மேப் ஆகுது. அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம காட்டணும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 181. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 181. A activity which does not consume either any resource time is known as option D, dummy activity. Next question number 182. What is the PERT time with optimistic, most likely and pessimistic time estimation of 6, 10, 14 dash? Answer is option B, 10. Next question number 183. The difference between the maximum time available and the actual time needed to perform an activity is known as. Answer is total float. Question number 183. Answer is option C, total float. Next question number 184. If G is a group for A belongs to G, n of A is the normalizer of A, then for all x belongs to n of A, answer is option A, xa equal to ax. Next question number 185. If G is a set of integers and A, B symmetric A minus B, then G is option A. A is a correct answer. Next question number 186. In a group G, each element A belongs to G. There is question number 186. Answer is B, a unique inverse A power minus 1 belongs to G. Next question number 187. The identity permutation is even permutation. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 188. The number of elements in a group is, order of group. The option B is correct answer. Next 189. If H is a subgroup of finite group G and order of H and G are respectively M and N, then answer is M by N. Answer is M by N. Next question number 190. The intersection of any collection of open set is closed set. Answer is option B, closed set. Next question number 191. The set of positive real number is option B, bounded below. Answer is bounded below. Option B is correct answer. Next question number 192. The set of natural numbers has lower bound. Answer is option B, lower bound. Next question number 193. Every infinite set has a countable subset. Every infinite set has a countable subset. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 194. A function is a monotonic function f if dash. Option C is correct answer. F is either increasing or decreasing function. Next question number 195. The value of limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x divided sin cube x is, answer is 1 by 2. The value is 1 by 2. Next question number 196. If f of x has period alpha, then x divided k has period option B, k alpha. Option B is correct answer, k alpha. Next question number 197. A curve on a surface whose tangent at each point is along a principal direction is called a line of curvature. Question number 197. Option C is correct answer. Next 198. For any curve C which encloses a empty connected region, or the axis of C is equal to the total curvature of R dash, his theorem is, answer is last one, Gauss-Bonnet theorem. Option D is correct answer. Next question number 199. Surface whose mean curvature is dash at all points are called minimal surfaces. Option D, last one, 0 is correct answer. Next 200, last question. The sum of the normal curvature at any point on the surface in two directions at right angle is constant and equal to the sum of the principal curvatures at the point. Option C, Dubin's theorem. Option C, Dubin's theorem. Thank you.